How to create a markdown file in RStudio. A markdown file is a file that have an extension which is .rmd, a file that will include three major sections in it: header, codes, and text, in addition to plots, graphs, statistical outputs, and website links. Create an R Markdown file here in RStudio. Select the file, then choose the new file and select R Markdown. A new window will appear. In that window, we can select whether to have a document or presentation. Give the file a name. Let's call it data analysis, and then the author name is Mark, the date is today date, and the output format, what we want to do once we had finished inserting all the codes and the text and the description, then we can decide which format to produce a report, which is the output of this file, either in HTML format, PDF format, or Word documents, or even as a presentation. If I just keep that as HTML and then select OK, a default RMD file is generated here with three major sections. The first section is the header. The second section is the codes, and here they are scattered in the file or in this console. And then a text section, which is the markdown. It can be a description, interpretation, an output from statistical analysis, a plot or a graph, and so on. The main thing in this file, it has three major sections: header, codes, and text. If we look at the header, I gave the file a name of data analysis, then the author name, the date, and the output. We've selected an HTML document to be generated when we convert the file into a report. If we look at the header here, we can see it. The details in the header lies between two lines here, dashed lines, and there is a space between the header and the codes. Codes start with the three or triplet backticks at the beginning and at the end, and in between is the chunk code. Here, after the triple backticks, there is a curly bracket with an R, and then the title for that code, and then the command for the include equal to false, followed by the net for options, which is set into echo true, i.e. means that all the command or all the codes are executed and then inserted in the final report. This is a global setting for the file, but this does not necessarily mean any subsequent command the codes will be executed and shown in the report. It can be modified for each specific codes, and whether to show the codes in the output, it depends on whether to insert the code for echo false. The second code here, which is for showing the summary for the data which has cars, and if I execute that command here as shown, it's given me the speed, minimum, maximum, and means and median, and so on. If I move to the next code chunk, we can see here that the code is inserted between these triplet backticks and title is given for, or a description is given for this code, which is a pressure, and then echo false, which means that execute the code but don't show it in the final report. This command here, it will be executed and shown in the final report as it's set as default, because there is no echoes to state whether it's true or false. If there is an echo here showing false, then it will not be shown in the output, but here it is left as a default, which will be shown in the final report. After the title for it and whether to show the command or not in the output, then a command for plotting the blood pressure. This section is called code chunks, and it is distributed between text. The third section is the text, or the description, or the interpretation, or even it can be the statistical analysis or calculation analysis, and it's all pure text as shown here with some websites. So in that section, any description, any interpretation can be written or inserted in that section. This is the way to generate and create an RMD file, a default one, with 3 sections in it. To convert that file into an HTML, then I need to click on the knet here option. I will save the RMD file at the desktop and give it a name, data analysis, and then hit enter. It has been saved now, and when I click on net, it automatically convert whatever written here into HTML format. And if we look at the output from the report, we can see that the title for we can see the section for the header, title, data analysis, author name, date, and then the document type, which is HTML. Then the R Markdown, which shows the text which is written here, is converted into this report. And then the first command is shown here, and the output of that command is inserted in the report. And then after that, the second command is also executed, and a graph is produced as shown here for the pressure, with the command is hidden. So if I want to, instead of generating an HTML, I can go and select a PDF format, and the RStudio will convert the RMD file into PDF format. If I decided that I don't want a PDF, I can also select a Word document. So knitting the file into Word documents, opened here a Word document. If I want to remove the code from the output, then let's select a format of HTML, generate the report. In this report, the code is inserted. To hide that code from the report, then I will scroll down to cars, code, and then insert here an echo, and then give it a false, which means that the command will be executed, but it will not be shown in the output. And if I need that again, as you can see, the command is hidden here for the summary of the car. The same thing for the pressure. If I want to show the code for the plot, then I will change that into true, and then hit net. In the report output, the command or the code is shown here. So that is the benefit of creating an RMD file. And if I want to add anything in the markdown section, I can go here and type, this is my first .rmd file. And if I just knit that, this text will appear in the output here. Creating an RMD file is an essential step in performing any statistical analysis, as all the text all the codes, all the interpretation, all the plot diagrams will be inserted in the R, and at the final step all this can be converted into a report in a format of an interest, whether a PDF or Word document or HTML or even a presentation. So this is the way to generate an RMD file and convert that into a final report of a format of interest. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to the channel, leave any comment in the indicated box, and activate the notification bell to receive the recent and latest release into the channel of several different video clips, and click on the like icon and share the video link with others so the channel can expand and improve to include a large scope of different statistical method and how to analyze data using several different statistical packages such as SPSS, Excel, Stata, Jamovi, RStudio, or Statistics, GraphPad, Prism, GPower, Python, and RevMan. If you are a student or a researcher and you have a data, whether it is quantitative or qualitative, and you want to perform statistical analysis on that data using any of the softwares listed here, whether it's SPSS, Excel, Stata, Jamovi, RStudio, GraphPad, Prism, RevMan, GMP, Python, then do contact me to arrange for either a one-to-one private tutor session or a training course on any of these statistical packages. My contact details are given here, so don't hesitate to write to me or email me if you need a private one-to-one tutoring or a training course.